Okie dokie, folks. Time for another little drive or a ride. Last video didn't work. The SENA messed up. It corrupted the files, and therefore we couldn't see them, and therefore they were not uploaded. So who knows? Maybe you'll see this, maybe you won't. But it is Friday, and it's time to head off for the weekend. Very nice. See if this idiot waits. None of them were, but they did. So what has happened today? Well, another indictment in the Mueller investigation. Remember, folks, it's just a witch hunt. It's just a witch hunt. What a time to be alive. Let's see. This idiot isn't really paying attention, is she? Come on, people. Jesus fucking Christ, are you kidding me with this? So what was I talking about? I guess the Mueller investigation threw off another criminal. The precedent circle of quote-unquote fine people seems to be getting smaller and smaller all the time. But I guess that's par for the course when you're talking about one of the most criminal administrations of all time. That's not a political opinion, that is a fact at this point. So if you supported him, it's time to just own up to it and admit that you were conned. And if you still support him, well, there's really not much I can do to help you, because that is borderline insanity at this point. And that really has nothing to do with politics, just ethics and common sense. That is sometimes in short supply here, so, you know. Alright, so we're back to it. Lane splitting. Let's see here. Got a little old tourist bus coming up. They can be a little bit of a handful. As is this one. So we stop. Nothing wrong with that. So perhaps we will end up with another episode of talking about nothing. There are only so many things you can talk about on a commute when you don't read the news, or rather, the really exciting news, which is typically science, history, technology, the things that make the world a better place. Sometimes you just don't have the time for it. And therefore, you have nothing to talk about. Of course, you could always talk about the Oscars or whatever, but that's kind of boring. It's just people doing people stuff. Hey, at least my commute is short. You know, you don't have to listen to me ramble on about nothing for very long. Because let's get real. Changing the channel is not an option. Or, I guess starting another video would be more correct. Yep, I guess this is all, folks. Call it a day. Today's MotoCommute. Bye-bye. Ta-ta.